Hi class, welcome to another video. In this video we will learn typecasting in C Sharp. There are two types of casting in C Sharp. The first one is implicit and the second one is explicit. Implicit is called automatic casting. Basically it converts small size type into a large size type, and the explicit is called manual casting, which converts large size type into a small size type. So we can Now here are some examples I want to show you guys. While using implicit, I can convert char into integer and integer into long into float, and float into double. And the explicit is totally opposite of this. I can convert my double into float, I can convert my float into long, and I can convert long into integer, and integer into char. So the first one is implicit method and second one is explicit. So right now let's use the first method is implicit. Here I type integer object my int is equals to 2. Now into my integer, wait, now here I use double, my double, now here I can use my int object. It is called automatic casting because I can convert my integer into a double. So here I type my int object, my int1. Now all I need to display here, I remove this hello world, then I type my int1, and also the second my double object, my double. Console is showing me some type of error. Yeah, I forgot to use terminator here. Now everything is set. Now here I choose my second double object. Now let's run it. So here you guys can see this is our implicit method. So here I convert my double object into integer which accept whole number. So this is called implicit method, where I can convert my double into my whole number digit. Here I can convert double into integer. So this is all, that's it. Now use explicit method. Now in explicit I can convert my double into integer or any of these following. So here I convert my double into integer, and which is done by manually. So here I type double, my obj, my object is equals to 9.95 terminated. Now here I use int my object to here. Here I type for converting my double into int which accept whole number. So for that I have to open it in Cricut, and here I use my object terminate to close. Now here I type console.writeLine, console.writeLine terminate to close. Here I use double object which is my obj, and now here I use my integer object which is my obj2, my object 2. That's all. And just type here implicit method, implicit casting, sorry, implicit casting, and here this is explicit casting. Let's run it. So you guys can see this is our implicit and explicit casting. This is how we can use this casting in C#. That's all. Thank you.